Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to our Macedonian language channel. I'm Ali and today's lesson is about the fourth season in Macedonian. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to say spring, summer, autumn, and winter and use them in a simple sentences. So let's get started. Here are the four seasons in the year. Prolet, which means spring. Leto, which means summer. Esen, which means autumn or fall, and zima, which means winter. Let's repeat them together slowly. Prolet, leto, esen и zima. Excellent! Now let's use them in a short sentences. Пролет е убаво време. Spring is nice weather. Јас одам на одмор во лето. In English, I go on a vacation in summer. Листовите паѓаат во есен. And in English, the leaves falls in autumn. Во зима паѓа снег. In English, in winter, snow falls. It is your turn now. Pause the video, try to answer the question on the screen, and then press play to check. Can you also tell me in the comments which season of the year is your favorite? I can tell you now, I love winter in California. And here are the answers for you to compare with yours. Leto, zima, во зима е студено. Here I will give you some fun facts about the seasons. Во пролет, or in spring, villages are full of blossoms. People wear martinki in March and remove them when they see the first stork. Leto, or summer. Macedonians often spend summers at Ohrid, one of the Europe's oldest lake, or they are in the mountains to escape the heat. Esen, or autumn, known as the grape harvest season. Families make wine and rakia together. Zima, or winter. Ski resorts like Mavrovo, Pelister, and Popova Shapka becomes popular. People celebrate Christmas in January with traditional songs and dances. Thank you so much for watching. Ви благодарам што гледавте. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll learn how to tell the date in Macedonian, combining numbers, days, and months so you can say things like Today is September 12th. До следното видување. See you in the next episode.